Have you ever wondered, wouldn't it be great if your Pact tests updated themselves? Well, the answer is yes, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it using SmartBear's AI features with Copilot. Although I'm using Copilot for this demo, the workflow is the same for any agent that supports the MCP protocol. So let's jump in. In our example application, I've added a new method to our API client to allow deleting of individual products. What we'd like to do is have our agent automatically update these Pact tests to cover this new feature. Here's what we need to get started. Make sure you have the SmartBear MCP tools enabled and that the server is running. Open Copilot chat and switch into agent mode. Drag any contextual files that will help the agent determine how to best improve the tests. In this case, we want to make sure we have our API client, the product class, the additional Swagger if we have it, or the OpenAPI document, as well as any additional test instructions that will help improve the quality of the generated test. Then we can simply ask the agent to update the Pact tests using SmartBear's MCP tools. Copilot will analyze the codebase, call SmartBear's AI generation services, and update the test cases to cover all test cases using best practice Pact test suites for your consumer. And that's it. You can see that Copilot has created a new set of comprehensive Pact tests to cover the delete use case, and that all those tests are passing. So in just a few minutes or so, you get a working set of high quality tests fully aligned with contract testing best practices and tailored to your project's structure. Give it a try in your own project and see how you can maintain high quality contract tests using SmartBear's MCP tools.